Good morning. So I want to start by giving you this update. We have watched or we have seen news about what is going on in Okigwe, the level of unaliving youth and disappearance of some people, especially men, boys, are going for no just reason. People have cried out about it and people have complained bitterly about it, but there's no update from Jamaica. Although I saw a clip, another video where people were running helter skelter, running for their life in a town called Ako. And it happened that Ako, according to what I was told, is also a part of Okigwe. And Jamaica mention of the name of that town here in this video that you're about to watch. But the update somehow is different from what you normally hear. That they engaged those that are coming to kill buy our own life, our youth, and invading homes and all that. According to what they report, that the story is different this time around. So hopefully it's true because I trust the Jamaica updates personally. I trust it, and I believe that many of us actually do the same. Whether you like or not, we have to also pay attention to what has been going on and all that. But I'm not here for that. Please, before we go for that, I would like you to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and put your comments. What do you know about what is, because I believe that there's some people from these communities that are actually watching us, and I believe that they have access to probably what is going on or what is happening in their own community. So let us hear from Jamaica. I think it should be right. This is a right thing. It is right thing to do. At least to hear it from the horse's mouth.
His Excellency, the Major General of the Biafra Division Army, in the person of Mazi Gentle the Yahoo, Igwe Abatobie, in cases, Nalo Okigwe, Babu, Pekalelengi. Nwakumwoke, and Meko, aka Archangel Lucifer. Mpa, also now, as in committee first note, based on the information I am receiving right now, this is 6:22 in Biafra time. I am reporting this information back to you, Mpa, that your men in Okigwe are doing the needful. The Musa boys are crying in Ako. The Nigerian terrorist soldiers who has come to kill Okigwe youth has been running away from Ako as I'm talking to you, Mpa. These enemies are running, these fools are running. And I want to use this opportunity to bring the attention of the international leaders of Biafrans all over the world and all the enemies of Biafrans and of those who contributed money to federal government and state government in order to come and fight the men on the ground, the Biafra Division Army, the Biafra resistance fighters, and Biafra defense forces. These evil demons are collecting it woto. And I am challenging anyone that is hearing my voice now and let this voice note go viral. I am challenging anyone to start calling the Nigerian government, asking them what are the terrorist soldiers collecting in Ako, Okigwe, Omololo Okigwe, Woto Promise. Mpa, your man ji Ogunigwe. Oguni memi na to your talk, we so down kutanku, ammo tanker break down. Their ammo tanker break down. Their foot soldiers, Mokaraka Hawoko, they are rescue the ammo tanker. onye nwere na-atọ ito Ogbunigwe Biafra wee sụọ ha kpụtụkpụtụkpụtụ mgbe akwa na-abịa na army camp na ebe ka ọ dike where are you? Your time is up. Kedu ha? Purpose of the people you sent to come and kill the people of Okigwe. Purpose of them, I am telling you, you as a fool, call your terrorists in Okigwe to know what is going on. They are dying in mass. And I want to use this opportunity to warn any hospital in Okigwe that they hospitalize these demons will immediately visited. The men on ground have taken the challenge. The world are asking, where is the Biafra Liberation Army? People are asking, where is the Biafra Liberation Army? Biafra Liberation Army have come on board. Is dealing with them now. Make a call in Akuna. Make a call in Okigwe to ask the soldiers. Ask soldiers what is going on right now. Today is 15th of August.
So just yesterday.
This is the situation report I want to give
yesterday.
you.
Yesterday report.
Your men carry you. Musa are playing. Fulanis are playing. According to the information I am receiving, your men in Okigwe are dealing with them. Woto. More updates. I will be giving you updates over what is going on in Okigwe. Mpamonsa, power and authority. Power to Martin Amdekano. Power to Martin Simonekba. Power to General Botosa. Power to Major General Jetu Biawu. Power to all the Major Generals. Power to all the generals. Power to all the commanders of the Federation Army. Power for all the soldiers for taking this battle to the next level. Musa, we are coming. You understand that this is the land of Biafra.
So that is the update from Biafran Liberation Army in Okigwe. And like I told you, there's a clip which I'm not going to bring here because I have not worked on that clip. A kind of update based on what is going on in the community. Like Njemeko mentioned in the video, Ako. Okay, at the beginning he mentioned that name. Let me bring that name again. Now listen, so that you understand the name of the place he mentioned. That Ako.
His Excellency.
Just pay attention.
The Major General of the Biafra Liberation Army, in the person of Mpekelengi. Nwadumoke and Meko, aka Archangel Lucifer. As in Kamtili Boss note, based on the information I am receiving right now, this is 6:22 in Biafra time. I am reporting this information back to you, that your men in Okigwe are doing the needful. The Musa boys are crying in Ako.
Okay. That is the name of the place that I told you, in Ako. So there's a video clip circulating on social media how Ako people are running because they invaded there, but the people said, according to the video, that is Fulani people. So meaning that it could be security forces, it could be army, because you never can tell. When they just invade a village and begin to engage them. So lucky enough, or luckily, the Biafran Liberation Army was able to go there to rescue the community. And that is why Njemeko is giving this update that he's giving, that people, a lot of those who went there to do this and that they are running and all that. So that's update. We are not there. We are on is to bring it to you. So please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. We are going to come live in less than an hour. We are coming back on our main platform to do the needful. Please make sure you follow us and like the video, share it to many platforms of your choice. God bless you, and bye-bye for now. Take care.